Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer WordPress to SiteGround, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your current WordPress hosting account. Access the WordPress dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Tools section. Click on Export. Select all content to ensure you transfer everything. Click on the Download Export File button. This action will download an XML file to your computer. Next, log into your SiteGround account. If you don't have an account yet, create one. In your SiteGround dashboard, go to the Websites section. Click on the New Website button. Select Start New Website. Choose WordPress as your website type. Follow the setup prompts to create a new WordPress site. Once your new WordPress site is ready, navigate to its dashboard. From the dashboard, go to Tools and click on Import. Scroll down and find WordPress in the list. Install the WordPress Importer plugin if prompted. After installation, click Run Importer. Upload the XML file that you downloaded earlier. Click on the Upload File and Import button. Assign the content to an existing user or create a new user. Make sure to check the box for Download and Import File Attachments. Finally, click Submit to start the import process. This may take a few moments depending on the size of your site. Once the import is complete, check your website to ensure everything transferred correctly. If you add any custom themes or plugins on your old site, install them on your new SiteGround site. After installation, configure these themes and plugins as needed. Lastly, update your domain name's DNS settings to point to SiteGround servers. Enjoy your newly transferred WordPress site on SiteGround. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.